Listen to an English story for beginners. I Asked My Brother, by Oxford Reading University. Level A1.
My brother got a new car. It wasn't big, but I was happy for him. I asked, "Can I take a ride?" He said, "It's new, I'm afraid you'll break it." He was right, so I didn't argue. We had a small firm with a lot of work. I told him, "You have a young wife waiting for you at home. Go home early and I'll stay to finish the work." He agreed and went home. Once I asked my brother, "I need to put my old clothes in the attic. Can I go up there?" My brother said, "No space left in the attic. We store old stuff in there too." So I put my old clothes in the basement. I asked my brother one day, "Our firm earned a lot of money last month. Where did all the money go?" He said, "You don't understand money. Don't worry, I have everything under control." So I believed my brother. Another time I asked my brother, "Can you lend me some money? I don't have money to buy food this month." He said, "My wife and I are redecorating the kitchen, so I can't help you." I understand. So I borrowed money from somebody else. I met a wonderful woman and said to my brother, "Meet my future wife." He said, "Don't trust her. She is a foreigner." I believed my brother. I was careful. When we got married, I asked my brother, "My wife found a dog in the street. She wants to keep it. Can we keep it in our yard?" He said, "My wife doesn't like dogs. They smell bad. You can't keep the dog here." I agreed. Dogs do smell, don't they? All my relatives loved my wife. They visited us often, bringing gifts. My brother told me, "Be careful of your wife. She must be a witch." I got upset. I love my brother, but I love my wife too.
Do you like this story? Send it to your friends to enjoy it together. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more audiobooks like this.
We had a baby boy and my brother said, "This house is too small for all of us. You should move out and live with our mother." We moved out and started living in my mother's old house. The house was really old. My wife and I replaced the windows, built another floor and fixed the roof. My brother told me that house is half mine, so I can come and use it whenever I want. I agreed. I'd do anything for my brother. My wife won the lottery and we were very happy. My brother asked, "We need money to build a fence around the house. You are rich now, give me some money." I gave him as much money as he needed. I'd do anything for my brother. My mother helped us with our son a lot. My brother asked, "Why is our mother only helping you? I need more help around the house. Let our mother come and clean our house and cook for us." Our mother was too old, so I asked my wife to go and help around my brother's house. We got a farm with horses, sheep, and chickens. My brother asked, "Can you give me 1 chicken and some cheese every week? It will help us save some money." I agreed. I love my brother. I would do anything for him. One day the police came and arrested my brother. They said he was stealing money from our firm. My brother asked me, "Please help me. Tell them it was you who was stealing the money." I love my brother, but I said, "I'm sorry. I have an old mother to take care of, a son to raise, and a big farm to look after. I can't go to prison now." I would do anything for my brother if I had one. Now let's check how well you understood the story. Answer the questions. How many brothers are there in the story? Two. Did the brothers always help each other? The narrator always helped his brother, but his brother never did. Why did the brother ask their mother to come and clean the house? Because she was helping the narrator with his baby, and his brother got jealous. What did the brother ask him to do at the end of the story? To go to prison for him.
For more English books for all levels, check out appava.com. And now, watch this video. It will help you improve your English right now.